All right, guys, real quick. I want to talk about these new 3/8 ratchet sets. Now, they kind of cut them in half a little bit. Now, it's an 11 piece. All right. Obviously, right, with the 3/8, you can get the pack out low profile box and the deep well for another $30. All right. So, uh, but listen, if you're not using SAE, maybe, or if you're not using deep well sockets, maybe this might make sense for you. All right. Yeah, 3/8. Why is this one 11 piece drive SAE metric low profile 6-point sockets? Okay, so you can pick either the shorties, and for $5 more, they're giving you the deep well. So either way, right? If you're not using the deep well, all right, you got an option here at $69. If you're not using the shorties, then you got the deep well options here. All right. Now, again, for another $25, you get the low profile and you get the shorties. Might be a better buy, like right here. $99. All right. I did want to tell you about this one because I know a lot of people are going crazy over the 1/4 inch sets, guys. Here you got the pack out full size, low profile case here. This is $40 on its own, right? $39. Might be 34 now. I don't know. But you're also getting those trays, all right? Now, if you plan on getting the trays, that's an additional cost, down the road. And maybe you have the 1/4 inch, maybe you want to go to the 3/8. You got to really price and see how much, you know what I'm saying? Because this is $100 off right now. So you're getting a complete 1/4 inch set, a complete 3/8 set for $199 with a $40 low profile case. And you get those special, pack out removable trays inside. All right. Um, yeah, it's still available. The 3/8. Okay. 79. Again, I would probably, I don't know, pay the extra $20 and get the pack out box, but that's up to you. So here is the other one. This is the 3/8 complete 60-piece set. All right. That's why I'm saying for another $50, right? Like I said, maybe you just have the 1/4 inch, but you want to get the 3/8. All right. So if you just want the 3/8, it's going to cost you $149. Is it worth the extra $50? To get the pack out case, and now you got a nice place to store that 60-piece set and have it stored with your 1/4 inch set. All right, so just take a look, take a gander. All right, here's the 1/4 and the 3/8. Again, if you're going to do this, doesn't make sense. It's only the SAE. Here it is with a mounting plate, which is kind of weird. Here's the ratchet. Here it is with a pack out box. I don't really like any of these with the backpack. All right, so this is really it, guys. I'll put this page up if you're interested. Take a gander. Peace.